So this is a pepper that's been sitting outside for about a couple days, and this pepper has just been removed from inside, so I'm gonna put it right next to the pepper that's been acclimated, just to show you the difference between acclimating a pepper and not, you know, hardening it off before, you know, putting it outside. So probably by tomorrow, this pepper right here will be all droopy and shocked because of the sudden change in temperature outside. So I'll give you an update in the next couple days.